guys, welcome to 114 East Oceanfront. This is a custom build spec home. I'm trying to get in the camera here. But it wasn't built like a typical spec home. There's a lot of bells and whistles. So Kev, I'm gonna have you turn around and just show. There's a fire pit down here on the first level. There's also a marine grade barbecue over here. Yes. And this is your entrance off of the boardwalk. And then when you come in, we've got the living area. If you pan over to the TV, there's a full security system. All the cameras are loaded up on the television right there. The house is a smart house. So everything can be accessed from your iPad or your phone. This is the kitchen here. It was designed by a company called Cooper Pacific Kitchens out of LA. They do a lot of nice extra bells and whistles, built-ins everywhere. I'm just gonna kind of open these things up so you can get over here and see them. Just nice add-ons that you don't see in your typical spec homes. It's a trash can. Wolf range, Sub-Zero refrigerator. And then the kitchen countertops and all the countertops throughout are Bianco Rhino marble. Waterworks fixtures throughout the whole house. And everything is just very high-end. There's a pantry here that has the microwave. You could also have a coffee bar in there. They did that so you can close it off when you're having guests. This is your, sorry, you're gonna back it up, your Sub-Zero refrigerator and double freezer here. This is your Lazy Susan. And then pan over here, I wanna show you. This bar area, they did a wine refrigerator. They also did 2 beverage drawers, which is great when you have guests over. They can just come in and grab their beverage. And then you have extra storage here. And then all of this storage for your barware. Then pan over to this area. This is your AV closet here. It has all of the storage for all of the components that are in the house. And extra room for more. So over here, we have the guest bathroom with an outdoor shower. So it's great for coming off the beach. You can just come out from this gate here. Again, you've got the marble and the waterworks fixtures. I'm going to show you the garage. So come over here and I'll come on in. Okay, in here, they did the extra large tankless water heater. This is all set up for the water purification system for the whole house. All you have to do is pop it in if that's something that you like. Then over here, we have, these are the electrical panels. They're done by Span, which was a guy from Tesla. And they communicate with you on your phone. So if there's ever a power outage or anything, you'll know how long the power's been out if you're not in town. Just a nice touch. And then this is a charger. It has adapters for other cars. They did this beautiful entry because they wanted it to look like a model home. But if one wanted this to be a carport, we could continue the cobblestone up to about here and then have the entry start. This is a great extra parking spot for a small car or a golf cart. And then this is the entry. You have another camera here and you have the tongue and groove, all beautiful stained tongue and groove. And just pan down, this decking, I want to tell you about it. It's on the back deck in here. It's called thermarie. It's a really expensive material. It's real wood. It's been dehydrated so that it's super light and extremely durable. And it'll last a lifetime in any kind of weather condition. And then I'll let you go upstairs first, and then I'll follow you up there. Make a left when you get up to the top. So this is the primary suite. And that's the primary bathroom. They did, again, the Bianco Rhino marble on the countertops, marble flooring. There's the water closet and the closet as well. Then they did something here. They put an office over on this side. If you didn't want the office, this wall comes down. It's not a load-bearing wall. So this could easily come down. It would extend the room the whole width of the house. But it is kind of nice to have an office when you're here on vacation.
Guys, we're so close to Balboa Pier, and the burns we're talking about, it's all this stuff right here, which is protected, and the added value to that is people won't walk right in front to go to the beach. They'll go around it, and during rain season it's kind of a protective added layer of protection, but just something to keep in mind. But look at that view. Back to the master.
Yeah, so the top floor, it has a full bath and a closet, so it could be a fourth bedroom. Welcome to the roof. Come on out here. You've got to see this view. This is really incredible. And I apologize for not taking the covers off. You've got a wonderful fireplace over here for the cold nights, and I have to show you how easy this is to turn on. It's just the touch of a button, and it gives off a ton of heat when it's cold out. It's just a really great place to hang out. So check out the view here. I love this picture-perfect palm tree right in the center. Up here you have your beverage bar, refrigerator, ice machine, sink, and trash. If you wanted a barbecue, you could put one up here. They just figured you would do all your grilling down below. This space here has a full bath and a closet. It could be a fourth bedroom, This is a pull-out couch right now, so it can serve for a sleeping space for guests. If you wanted to, you could wall this in and put a door if needed, but it's really a great community space. I want to show you the back deck. Back here, you could do an infrared sauna, a cold plunge. You could do a small jacuzzi. If you wanted a large one, there's some reconfiguration that would need to happen, but it's not that big of a deal. And then you have the storage over here for anything. Then you do have solar panels on either side of this roof. They don't completely wipe out your utility bills, but they do help with that.